Now let us solve this question. If x, y and z are positive integers such that x की power y, y की power z into y की power z, z की power x into z की power x, x की power y is equal to 5xyz, then the value of x plus y plus z we have to find in this question. So if we solve this question, firstly we can write this part as x y की power z and this x into the division of this x की power 1 and again y की power like that only, y इधर हम इसके नीचे रख देंगे, डिवाइड कर देंगे, then z की power x and x की power y divided by z here also equal to 5. We can see here, if we write this part with a power formula, we know a की power m and a की power n will become a की power m minus 1 with same power. So here also we will use that formula only, that will become x की power y, y की power z minus 1 and here also y की power z, z की power x minus 1 into z, z की power x, x की power y minus 1 is equal to 5 here. We know x, y and z are positive integers here. So we can simply write that anything power, integer की power integer integer ही आएगा और integer में हम 1 minus करेंगे तो वो भी integer ही आएगा. So like this only all are integers like I1 here, I2 and I3. If these three are integers and we have to multiply them and get 5, we know prime is a prime number, hence we can write I1 as 5, I2 as 1 into 1 like this. We can change the order also 155 or 115 like this only. So for comparison, to find the value of x, y, z, we can firstly write x की power y की power z minus 1 as 5 here. I'm letting this I1 as 5, I2 as 1, I3 as 1 because 5 will be the multiplication of 5 into 1 like these numbers only. Hence, now on comparison 5 की power 1 only when we can write x की power y की power z minus 1. So from that on comparing here we can find the value of x here. x की पावर 5 बन जाएगी एंड y की पावर z माइनस 1 इक्वल टू 1 अगर हो जाए तो y की पावर z विल बिकम 2 हेयर एंड इफ y की पावर z हो y की पावर z इक्वल टू 2 it becomes, then we can write on comparing again z की पावर 1 from there only we can write on comparing. So from that we find it these three values, y is equal to 2, z is equal to 1 on comparing here and x is equal to 5 on comparing this equation. And we know there are three variables we have to find and three equations are also formed here like this, y की power z की power x minus 1 should be equal to 1 and this is the first equation and here third is z की power x की power y minus 1 should be equal to 1. So these are second and third equation. We have to put the values of x, y, z to check if this is equal to 1 and this is equal to 1 here, then only we can say these are the values of x, y, z because in whole equation we have to verify it. Hence we can put the value here x as 5 here. So in this equation if we put y, this is 2 and z की power 5 minus 1 should be equal to 1. So it should be like 1 minus 1 will become 0, 1 की power 5 will be 1 and 1 minus 1 become 0 and 2 की power 0 will be 1. Hence we can say that LHS is equal to RHS, hence verified this part. If we solve for the third equation here, case 1, we are going to, in equation 1 we are checking here and in equation 2 if we check, sorry it is equation 2 and this is equation 3 we are going to check. So that is z की power x की power y minus 1 equal to 1. If we put the values here, z we are taking 1, 1 की power x, x means 5 and x की power y will become 2 minus 1 equal to 1. This should be 1. So here we can write 1 and 5 की power 2 will become 25 minus 1 and 25 minus 1 will become 1. From that we can write 1 की power anything will be 1 only. Hence from here also we can write LHS is equal to RHS, hence verified in this equation also. Hence we can say that these all values of x, y, z verify the equations here and this is the solution of the question. In the question it is asked from us, we have to find the value of x plus y plus z. From that we can put x as 5, y as 2 and z as 1. So it will become 8. So 8 is the final answer. Option number D is the right answer in this question here.